Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a WhatsApp call not showing in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having this type of problem, so guys, when you receive any video or audio call on WhatsApp and your WhatsApp call is not showing on your home screen or on your lock screen, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your WhatsApp here, and guys you need to click on settings, and guys you need to click on notifications tab. So guys, the first step is you need to reset notification settings from here, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to go back, and guys the second method is you need to open your settings in iPhone, and guys you need to click on notifications tab, and guys from here you need to find your WhatsApp. As you can see, you need to click on this tab, and guys you need to allow notifications, as you can see. And guys after this you need to check all of three these tabs, that is lock screen, notification center, and banners. So guys, if uncheck anyone, then guys you need to check all of these, and guys after this you need to turn on your sounds option, because when your sound option is turned off, then guys you not get any ringing on your iPhone. So guys, simply when you have turned on this, then guys you will be able to hear any tone when you have received any WhatsApp video or audio call. So guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.